Yeah, looks like a little birdie took a disliking to my mini bosai musen's pole mount. Okay, with my phone's camera running out of memory at the very last note of the song like that, that's enough to get me to put an SD card in this thing. I am tired of this thing running out while I'm trying to set up the videos. Even though I know I emptied the phone's storage first, it clearly isn't enough, so I'm putting extra storage in there. Alright, let's continue on with the rest of the video. still started dying halfway through the test. Even though I have the power supply connected directly to it this time instead of through the timer. Okay, it turns out the reason why the Siren was slowing down, at least the reason I think is why it slowed down, is because the chopper was hitting the stator. So I need to reseat this so it doesn't hit the stator and so it doesn't slowly rise up and hit the top or the sides or whatever as it's running. That's more like it.